Hello, my name is Cory Jacoby from Jacoby Company, and we specialize in custom window treatments. Today we're in our friend Deb's beautiful bedroom, and Deb and I had certain goals here, didn't we, Deb? What were they?
Well, our goal, this room is nice, but it's kind of plain and sterile, and we decided instead of those modular shades, we wanted real drapes in here.
And romance.
And romance and a little
yum.
foo-foo.
Yeah,
I wanted what we could get away with, and I think the result was beyond expectation.
Exactly,
Really
I think so too. And what we decided to do is to do this beautiful taffeta treatment, and then we put beautiful sheers that have movement, so we gave the rooms a little bit more personality, which is great. And we also gave protection color.
Depth,
yes,
yeah.
exactly. And protecting us from friends seeing in. Because we're in a corner, not a corner logic, but corner part of the house.
That's right.
So Gary, which is great, well, he did our installation work here, and he's masterful at what he did, the double rods that are traverse. Aren't you masterful, Gary? Of course he is. Traverse rods, and he did all the installation work, which is really tricky in the corner. And if you have a situation like this that's really hard installation, let Jacoby Company help you, because we have the solutions to any kind of situation, particularly one like this, and now it's fantastic. Is it not, Deb?
It is, and they also have wonderful fabric, which we had a blast picking out.
We did, in the back of our car.
In the back of your car.
But anyway, so this is a very, very complicated installation, and Gary was able to pull it off. Of course, I thought, no, Deb and I thought about it, but Gary pulled it off.
It looks good. It looks perfect.
Gorgeous.
It is perfect. We love it.
It is perfect.
Yeah, we love it.
So if you have a situation that's a little bit complicated, let Jacoby Company handle it, and we will come and we'll get it done like that. Right, Gary?
Yeah,
Like that.
that.